Filing taxes for your Amazon FBA business involves several steps to ensure compliance with federal, state, and local tax laws. Here's a concise guide. Maintain accurate records. Keep detailed records of all income, expenses, receipts, invoices, and bank statements related to your Amazon FBA business. Understand tax obligations. Federal taxes. You must report income on your federal tax return. This includes self-employment taxes if you're a sole proprietor or single-member LLC. State taxes. Be aware of state income taxes and sales taxes, which vary by state. Local taxes. Some localities may also have additional tax requirements. Collect and remit sales tax. Use Amazon's tax collection service to automate sales tax collection. Ensure sales tax is collected in states where you have nexus. Categorize income and expenses. Use accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero to categorize transactions. Typical expenses include inventory costs, shipping fees, Amazon fees, advertising, and office supplies. File federal income tax. Sole proprietorship or LLC, partnership, or corporation. File state income tax. Follow your state-specific filing requirements, which may include additional forms or schedules. Submit sales tax returns. File sales tax returns for each state where you collect sales tax. Frequency and due dates vary by state. Consult a tax professional. Consider hiring a CPA or tax advisor experienced in e-commerce to ensure accuracy and compliance.